Back to the daily routine and you wanna save some time in the kitchen? Make it easy! Cause today I'm gonna show you how to rock batch cooking like a boss. First things first, let's kick off with some whole well-washed potatoes. Microwave them 8 minutes in the microwave cooker. Once done well, whip up mashed potatoes and some Catalan-style roast potatoes. Next up, we're gonna prepare lasagna and quinoa with these gadgets. Microwave the quinoa for 8 minutes. Meanwhile, in this mold, stack up some bechamel sauce and pre-cooked lasagna sheet. Throw in bechamel sauce, meat bolognese sauce, and grated cheese. Keep layering until the pan's full and toss it in the oven for 30 minutes. While that's baking, mix together tomato, tuna, olives, basil, onion, lemon, and salt. Finally, let's put the microwave cooker to work again for some fish and asparagus. It's not picky, season it all with a bit of salt and pepper. Microwave the asparagus for 2.5 minutes and then add the fish and cook for another 2.5 minutes. And now you are ready for the week!